Welcome, this is Gauri Gopnath for NE24 at the 20th anniversary event of the Language Martyrs Memorial Committee held in Silchar. Prominent figures including MLA Dipayan Chakravarti, civil society members and cultural activities came together to honor the memory of the Bengali language martyrs of 19th May 1961. A key focus of the event was the committee's long-standing demand to rename Silchar Tarapur railway station to Bhasha Shahid Station Silchar. Despite 2 decades of appeals and campaigns under Indian Railways renaming stations in other parts of the country, this symbolic recognition for the martyrs of Silchar has yet to be realized. To mark the occasion, the magazine Banamala Rodur was launched and distributed to promote the historical legacy and sacrifices made for the Bengali language. In a speech, MLA Dipayan Chakravarti passionately declared that language, not religion, defines Bengali identity, stating a Bengali is neither Hindu nor Muslim. A Bengali's only identity is that they are Bengali speaking. He emphasized that education is the mother tongue, is a bright right, and encouraged love and pride for the Bengali language while also calling for respect toward all other languages. The event served both as a remembrance and a renewed call for cultural and linguistic recognition. For more news and updates, subscribe our channel NE24 YouTube and support us by following our page.
আজকে আমরা বাংলা ভাষার অফিশিয়াল ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ পেয়েছিলাম। তাদের চরণে আজকের দিনে আমরা শতকোটি প্রণাম নিবেদন করছি। আজকে এই মুহূর্তে এই সভায় মঞ্চে উপস্থিত রয়েছেন ভাষা শহীদ স্টেশন শহীদ স্মরণ সমিতির সম্মানিত সভাপতি বাবুল হর মহাশয়, তার জেনারেল সেক্রেটারি ডক্টর রাজীব কৌর মহাশয় সহ মঞ্চে বিশিষ্ট ব্যক্তিত্বরা।